Hi guys, Lincoln here with Lincoln.org, and today is the 19th of the affiliate marketing challenge from 0 to 1k per day in the next 90 days. So you found other videos online, maybe you're trying to seek of how to make money online, and I'm actually testing one theory of how to make money online in the next 90 days. And you've seen that a lot on other channels, but I'm giving you everything I'm doing and I'm giving you what's happening. No sales yet and I'm bummed. Okay, so what I did yesterday, I uploaded my course on Lincoln.org, and this is the course, the entrepreneurship course. It was to be uploaded yesterday and I did it. It was a great journey, and what I actually did is I wrote the course. And wait, what was that? Okay, I wrote the course, I did it, but I did not speak on any of my courses. So one way to go is I actually got someone online to make the video. I only wrote the content, and this is one way you can make money online. So what I did is I went there and make and search creator. You just search for course. Okay. You can grab any one of the videos you seek online, and I actually got someone on Fiverr but dealt with it outside of Fiverr. It's great, you can have a lot of things there, but I really knew that person in person, and he's a great guy. He did my video, and pretty much I really like those, and they are quick videos. It's really nice. I'm not the one who talked on it, but it's nice. I have my course well set, and I really like these. And I will upload more videos, maybe on my website or on YouTube here. But I know that most of you might not give anything. Maybe you might not like my videos the way I do, or because it's free and every free stuff you don't really care about this, but I put a lot of work, and here's my course. And what you want to do is go on Fiverr. If you want to do something, you write your course, and if you're late, or I was really late with that course, and I just grabbed one link and checked and email and check it and search a lot. Fiverr is a great place if you want to outsource something. I paid I think $300 for everything. I just less than $300, but it's great. I really like those, and this is great money. $300, why not? I have 8 videos, and I have another course I already sent him including, and it will be available on my other channel, which is health and fitness. And so if you want to check my link down below in my videos, you'll have something I will lay it out for you, and other videos if you want to see. So now with my what I did today, what I actually did is I am amending my my flow, because I'm getting a lot of clicks, I'm getting a lot of views, and I'm tracking those. I already got 800 or 900 clicks to my sites, but no opt-ins. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to try to find new ways to promote, because my videos are working. My other videos on my fitness health and fitness channel is really working out, and I'm getting a lot of views, and I'm bold to write I can like monetize my channel. It's just lacking some views, some subscribers, but anyhow, you really need to do something about it. If you want to go, you cannot like, I cannot like do only YouTube because I'm getting good traffic from it, but it's not converting. I'm not getting any of things. So if you do only YouTube, it will take a lot of time, because free method does take a lot of time. But if you don't have any money, you can go for that. So what I did, and what I do actually, I will give away some of the free stuff I'm finding on Fiverr. Yeah, and you since my niche is health and fitness, I really want to give to anyone actually a lot of things. You can choose anything from $5 there. It's really like nothing, and it will result to $55 1 month, and you don't have to purchase again. You can just give, and you just have to search for rights where you can give away rights book. You can just go message the seller and ask them. And I bought actually the first part. Yeah, not that one, but this one. It's great, and I have like, I think I think it's 80 books I can give away for free. And I'm gonna start this by end of this week, or maybe the day after tomorrow. And I will show you how I build a funnel, and how I'm giving away, how to use build a wall, because I haven't done that yet. And that's it. Yeah, one thing. I went on YouTube and found a lot of videos promoting only YouTube videos, and I was doing the same. And I thought that I would get a lot of money doing that, but do not just trust. And if you're in that phase where everything is so cool and make money online is awesome, and you're just in that phase where you are like, I don't know, very trusty, do not. And if you're in that phase, my advice to you is to just do, because you have to test things to understand those, and that's what I'm doing. And yeah, don't. In fact, this is a quote from a great guy I know, Master Yoda. You might know. So don't do or don't. There's no try, and this is great advice. Either you do it, amen, do it again, amen. And once you go and fight for it, you will really get it, because within those 20 days I learned a lot, and a lot. My videos are ranking first on YouTube, and I already got like 500 something subscribers on my other channel, which is great. And I applied those on that channel actually, and I made over 100%. 100. Wait, something. Let's jump inside my YouTube studio. I will show you. I made 147 subscribers, and that's just for one video, which went like crazy viral with 500 views. And this is like really awesome, and I've learned that in that journey. So if you're in a journey and you're making mistakes, and you think you're not making money and you're not like anything, no, you're learning a lot of things, and continue to push, because only the one who don't do anything will lose, and you're not a loser, you're a winner, because you're listening to me. So on that note, thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget that bell notification, because I'm uploading every single day. Even if I did not upload my documentation for this journey yesterday, I'm uploading every single day, and I'm giving value to you every single day. So thanks again.